face though.
You can fix your face. Now, don't play with me. Fix your face. Nobody don't care about that. That shit don't care. It's gonna get you beat the fuck up in here.
Trauma, it's rude. Stop laughing at her breasts.
They're so